Welcome back to Cars Updates, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today we're diving into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, a flagship sedan that combines luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology in a way that only Mercedes can. Let's explore what makes this car stand out in a crowded market. Design. The 2025 S-Class showcases a sleek and elegant silhouette that's unmistakably Mercedes. Its bold front grille and striking LED headlights create an imposing presence on the road. The flowing lines and carefully sculpted bodywork not only enhance its aesthetic appeal, but also improve aerodynamics, contributing to a smoother ride. So the overall design feels both modern and timeless, reflecting the brand's commitment to luxury and sophistication. Interior. The S-Class is nothing short of a sanctuary. High-quality materials abound, from sumptuous leather upholstery to polished wood accents, creating an atmosphere of opulence. The centerpiece is the advanced infotainment system, featuring a massive touchscreen that seamlessly integrates navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. Ambient lighting options allow you to customize the cabin's mood, while spacious seating provides comfort for all passengers. The attention to detail is evident everywhere you look, making every journey feel special. Performance. The 2025 S-Class doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, you'll find a range of powerful engine options, including hybrid variants that offer a balance of power and efficiency. So the smooth transmission ensures effortless acceleration, while advanced suspension systems provide a remarkably comfortable ride. With its intelligent all-wheel drive system, the S-Class handles various road conditions with ease, delivering a driving experience that is both engaging and luxurious. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class sets a new standard for luxury sedans, with its stunning design, lavish interior, impressive performance. So stay tuned for more updates and reviews right here on Cars Updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. See you next time.